In the last class, we uncovered, I won't say we covered, we uncovered a few words and the declensions like Hari Shabda, uh, Tri Shabda.
Hmm.
Then we also did Kati. We did the word Sakhi also we did. Yes, we did Sakhi. And then also Vishnu. Vishnu is same like Hari. So there is no new
Yes.
sutra for that.
Hmm.
So we did till here in the last class. I don't know if I posted the recording or not. I'll have to check.
I think not yet.
Not yet. Prabhu, was it you? You recorded or I recorded the last time? I think
I
it's with
think
me.
you recorded, I think.
Maybe it's with me. I'll check and post.
Ah.
The next word is
Sakhi.
Krishna.
Hmm.
Next word is Krishna Shri. E. E. So we did words with Vamana We did words with the Trivikrama A. We did words with the Vamana E. So that the main word was Hari, and then there were a few others like Sakhi, Tri, Kati. So Jiva Goswami's pattern is, first of all, he will give a general thing, a general word, and then he will give another words which may have few exceptions here and there, like in application, in transformation, some rules. So now the next word is Krishna Shri, ending with the long Trivikrama E in sequence, A, E, and E. So Krishna Shri. Dhatoridutore sarveshware bahulam. The Trivikrama E or the Trivikrama U of a dhatu changes to Iya or Uv when a Vishnu Bhakti beginning with the Sarveshwara follows. So Krishna Shri plus Su. So 1.1, Krishna Shri plus Su. No. Krishna Shri plus Su. So that is quite simple. We combine it, right? And then we apply Sara Rama or Vishnu Sarga Vishnu Padante. So we get Krishna Shri. Then Krishna Shri plus Au, Su Au. Then we apply this rule, Dhata Riduto Riyavau Sarveshware Bahulam. Dhata Riduto Riyavau Sarveshware Bahulam. This Shri, now you may ask a question that we are doing nouns, then why there is a mention of Dhatu? Dhatu means verb. I had that question when I was studying. So, first of all, as I already mentioned maybe to you, that all the nouns, they come from the verbal roots. And then now Shri, in Krishna Shri, and then second point is Krishna Shri is a compound, is a samas, is a compound word. A word which is made up of two words. One is Krishna, another is Shri. Then the third thing is Shri is actually a dhatu, which is used here, blended within a compound, and ultimately together they are a noun. But Shri is actually in its original form, it's a dhatu, it's a verbal root. So that's why we are considering it, and the sutra applies. So the Trivikrama E of a dhatu for Shri, it becomes Iya, IY, E Rama, Ya Rama. when there is a Vishnu Bhakti beginning with a Sarveshwara following. So Au is a Sarveshwara. So the
Yes.
long E becomes Ear.
Hmm.
And we get Krishna
Shriyau.
Shriyau. Krishna Shriyau.
This is a Sandhi rule, right?
No, this is this 134.
Mm. So all the Sandhis in the Sandhi Prakaranam, and there's no more Sandhi rule after that.
We can't say. Sandhis will be there, some here and there, but mainly covered in chapter 1. So we had Trivikrama E, which turned into ear, and then we just combine them like so. Krishna Shriyau. Similarly, 1.3 Krishna Shriyah.
Hmm.
Same in 2.1 Krishna Shriyam.
Shriyam.
2.2 same Shriyau. 2.3 same Shriyah.
Yes.
Then it's simple. 3.1 Shriya. Shriya. 3.2 Shri Bhyam.
Yam.
Simply Krishna Shri
Hmm.
Bhyam. Simply we combine them.
Yes.
Shri Bhihi. Shriye Shri Bhyam
Yes.
Shri Bhyah. Shriyah Shri Bhyam Shri Bhyah. Shriyah Shriyo Shriyam. Shri Shriyo Shri Shu. Like that.
Hmm. Okay.
And then the second example or word they have taken is Bhu with a long Trivikrama U. So Bhu is also a dhatu from which we get dhatus like Bhavati, Bhavatah, Bhavanti, Bhavet, Bhuyat, Bhavishyati. So
Hmm.
Bhu is also a dhatu. But here Bhu has become a noun. But because it's originally a dhatu, so we apply this rule. So Bhu plus Su, we combine and becomes Bhu. Like Om Bhur,
Buhu.
Bhuvaha, Swaha. Bhur. So that is Bhu, Om Bhur, Bhuvaha, Swaha. So Bhuvaha. So Ra Ishwarat Sarveshwara Gopalayo. Sandhi rule. Vishnu Sarga Sandhi.
Yes.
And Vishnu Sarga becomes Ra. So that's why we chant Om Bhur Bhuvaha
Bhurvasva.
because of Sandhi rule. But the word is Bhuhu, this one,
Buhu.
1.1. Then 2.1 point.
Sararamayor.
No, no, no. This is Ra Ishwarat Sarveshwara Gopalayo.
No, Buhu, it has become because of Sararamayor, no?
Oh,
Sararamayor.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay. Hmm.
First Sara Ramayor and then Ra Ishwarat Sarveshwara Gopalayo.
Hmm. Hmm.
1.2 Bhu plus O.
Bhuvau.
So yeah, we apply this rule. U becomes Uv
Hmm.
when there is a Vishnu Bhakti with a Sarveshwara following. So becomes Bhuvau. 7.1 would be Bhu plus Ni. So it would be what?
Bhuvi.
Bhuvi grinanti ye bhuri dajana. Gopi Gita.
Ah, yes.
Bhuvi grinanti. Bhuvi. So that is Dhato Riduto Riyavau Sarveshware Bahulam. We'll skip these words. Yeah, we'll skip just one or two words here.
Different sutras or just
No,
example?
actually,
Same.
I mean, I don't want to enter into that. It's like
Okay.
really. So this rule, Dhato Riduto Riyavo Sarveshware Bahulam. This rule is Bahula. Now, what is Bahula? So the definition of Bahula is Sometimes the rule is applied, kvachit pravritti, kvachit apravritti. Sometimes it is not applied. Kvachit vibhasha, sometimes it's optional. Kvachit anyadeva, sometimes something else is applied. Yeah, I also laughed similarly when I was studying. I was like, is this a joke? We're trying to spend our time studying Sanskrit and kvachit pravritti, kvachit apravritti, kvachit vibhasha, kvachit anyadeva. So this thing, when the rule is sometimes applied, sometimes not, ityadi, is called bahula. So these words like Vishwani, Krishna Sukhi, they are just examples of when this rule is not applied of Dhatori, Dutori, of Sareshwar Bhavulam. So that's why I'm not touching them. So just one example. For example, Vishwani plus Au, 1.2. If Dhatori, Dutori, Avau, Sarveshwar Bahulam was applied, then the form would have been Krishna Niyau. But Niyau. But that is not applied because of Bahulam concept. So they have simply applied Idvayameva Yaha Sarveshware from Sarveshwara Sandhi. And E simply became Ya. So Vishwa Niyau. Only that difference. Why? Because of the Bahulam thing. Sometimes it is not applied. Kochit apravritti.
So here they focus on the leaving out part, not on the including part.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The next rule, Ni Radhabhyam Ne Ram. After the word Ni or after the Radha Shabda. We will actually do this later when we come to the Radha Shabda. So after the Radha Shabda or after the word Ni, Radha Shabda means all the words Tatravanta Lakshmi Radha Sangya. All the words in Sanskrit, like nouns, ending with the long A, Trivikrama A, in Lakshmi Linga. All the words in Lakshmi Linga ending with Trivikrama A, they are called Radha Shabda here. Just like Aramanta Krishna Sangya, right? All the Aramanta Shabdas are Krishna Sangya. I Uramanto Hari Sangya. All the words ending with Vamana I, Vamana U, they are Hari Shabdas. Similarly, all the Trivikrama A, Ramanta Shabdas in Lakshmi Linga, they are Radha Shabda. So after a Radha Shabda, me, 7.1, me is replaced by Am. We will do this when Radha Shabda will come. So we'll just skip it. Okay, next word is Pitri. Pitri means father. 1-1. Pitri plus Su. So we did one sutra before, that was 127. Ram Sakhibhyam Ushnas Purudangshas Anehas Ityadibhyascha Soraj Buddham Vina. Which means after a word ending with Rama, like Pitri, Su is replaced with Arch. We replace Su and put Arch, insert Arch. But not in Buddha, not in 8.1. Buddham Vina. And then we apply the rule. Which rule should we apply here? Sansarasya.
Harashchiti.
Sansarasya harashchiti. So we delete the sansara because we have a pratyaya following with charama as indicatory letter. And then we get pita. Pita hamasya jagato. Pita. So sansarasya harashchiti and then we get pita.
Yes.
Then Pitri plus O, 136. Ramasya Govindah Pandaveshu Ngau Cha. Re Rama takes Govinda when Pandava or Ni is following. Au is a Pandava. Swadayah Pancha Pandavaha. So Re will take Govinda. So Ridvayasya Ar. Idvay से A, Udvay से O, Ridvay से Ar, Ridvay से Al, Govinda Sangya. So Pitar, and we get Pitarau.
Pitar.
Sankirtanaika, Pitarau, Kamalaya Takshau. What is that verse? How does it begin? Sankirtanaika.
It's a glorification of Nitai Gaura.
Yes, yes. How does it begin? Sankirtana. Yeah, I think it begins with Sankirtanaika Pitarau. Sankirtanaika Pitarau, Kamalaya Takshau, Vishwambharau, Dvijavarau, Yugadharma Palau, Vande Jagat Priyakarau, Karunavatarau. Like
At
that.
the beginning, yeah.
Yeah, the beginning first line. Sankirtanaika Pitarau. Sankirtanaika Pitarau. Vande. I'm just missing it, the first line. Anyhow, so Sankirtanaika Pitarau. Pitarau. So two fathers. 1.2.
So
Similarly,
Nitai Gaura can be our fathers.
they're the fathers of Sankirtana movement. So also, yeah, our fathers.
Jay.
They're actually everyone's father. Pitahamasya Jagatah. Krishna declared, Aham Jagatah Pita Asmi. Aham Jagatah Pita Asmi. So we just saying that they are the fathers of the Gaudiya community would be what is that dosha? Avyapti dosha. Avyapti dosha. So that would be avyapti dosha. I mean, we are limiting the scope of both. Avyapti dosha.
Undermining, yes.
Yeah. So out of the three doshas, avyapti is one.
Vyapti, ati vyapti, asambhava dosha.
Yeah, vyapti, ati vyapti, avyapti. Yeah, avyapti, avyapti, ati vyapti,
Vyapti
and
dosha. Asambhava dosha.
asambhav dosh. So this is avyapti. So pita, pitarau. Similarly, pitaraha, pitaram, pitarau. 2.3 would be like Krishna. So pitri plus shas. So pitrain, like Krishnan, Harin, we did same. Then pitri plus ta. Nothing. Ritvam raha, pitra. Pitribhya, pitribhihi, pitre, pitribhya, pitribhya. Now 5.1. Pitri plus ngasibhyam bhyas. Ngas osam. Ri ramato ngasi ngasorasya uch. After Ri Rama, the of ngasi and ngas is replaced by uch. So Pitri. So the of ngasi is replaced with uch. So uch, and then the sa also is there.
Samsarasya.
And then sansarasya harashriti, because uch has cha Rama. So pitus.
Pituhu.
And then sararama Vishnu sarga Vishnu dante pituhu. Pituhu. Pitribhya, Pitribhya. 6.1 also same. Pituhu.
Pituhu.
Then Pitroh, Pitrinam. 7.1 we will do Govinda. Pitri plus Ni. This sutra said Ri Ramato Ngasi. Sorry. Ri Ramasya Govinda Pandaveshu Ngaucha.
Ngaucha.
So when Ni is following, then also we'll do Govinda. So we'll get Pitari.
Pitari.
Pitroh, Pitrishu. 8.1. Pitri plus Su. So Ri Ramasya Govinda Pandaveshu Maucha. Su is Pandava. And so we will apply Govinda here by this 136. So it will be Pitar plus Su. And then we will apply, I think it's coming, yeah, this one, 138. Radha Vishnu Janabhyamipascha Trivikramat Sorharah. Su is deleted when it comes after a Radha Shabda, after a Vishnu Jana, or after a word ending in eep. That is a Trivikrama eep. This eep and Radha will come afterwards. Now we see Pitar ends with a Vishnu Jana. So after Vishnu Jana, we will delete Su and Sararame or Vishnu Sargo, Vishnu Padante. So we get Pitaha. So Hey Pitaha, O Father. And Pitaro Pitaraha. So that's the Pitri table. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then the next word is Kartri. It is similar to Pitri, little change. So Kartri plus Su, same like Pitri, will become Karta. Okay, this Riramanta Shabdas are very popular and they are a bit tricky also, you know, when they come in shlokas or when they come in the running text. So we have to be very careful. So Karta, Vrindavan has become so busy.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, it's so much of traffic.
Honking.
Anyhow, Swasri Tril Trin Pratyayantanam Vrishnindraha Suvarjam Pandaveshu. Now, see, although words like Pitri and words like Kartri, they look same, like the pattern looks same, you know, ending with Ri, both Pitri and Kartri. But there is some difference in the formations themselves of Pitri and Kartri. So words like Kartri, the formation is different than the formation of words like Pitri. So Kartri, both the word Swasri and words ending in the Krit, Pratyas, Tril or Trin, they undergo Vrishnindra when any Pandava except Su follows. So Kartri is a word which ends with Tril, Trin. Pitri was not. So for Pitri, we were applying Govinda. But for Kartri, we will apply Vrishnindra for Pandavas except for Su. That is the only difference. So Kartaro, Kartarah, Kartaram, Kartaro, and then the rest is same like Pitri. This
Vrishnindra, I just forgot what the Vrishnindra.
Advai se A, Idvai se Ai, Udvai se Au, Ridvai se Ar, Ridvai se Al, Vrishnindra Sangya, E O Sthane, Ai Au Cha.
Okay, Govinda and then Vrishnindra.
Govinda and Vrishnindra. So only these four forms are different. Rest, it's same like Pitri table. Kartra,
Kartaro,
Kartribhyam.
Kartara, Kartaram, Kartara.
Tasya Kartaram Abhimam. Krishna says, Tasya Kartaram Abhimam. Bhagavad Gita. Karta Hamiti Manyate. In Bhagavad Gita, a lot of Karta is used. I think in Punjabi, they use this word Kartar. You know, I've heard a lot of this Kartar, something. I don't know if that is Kartar or something, if they have got something to do with this Kartri Shabd. Kartar. So that's the
nowadays, but when you study Shastra on Veda base, for example, do you still read the English translation, or do you not need it at all?
Mostly not.
Nice.
I mean, then what is the point of studying Sanskrit if you still need
Yes,
translations?
true.
Okay, so Kartri table is there. Then the next word is Krishna Rai. Krishna Rai, ending with Ai Rama. So Raya A Sabho. The I of the word Rai becomes A when any Vishnu Bhakti beginning with Sa or Bha follows. So Krishna Rai plus Su begins with Sa, I become A, so Krishna Rah.
Sararamayor, same
Sa
sutra.
and then Sararamayur.
Hmm.
Krishna Rai plus Au, so we apply I. I, if you remember. I.
Hmm.
So Krishna Raya, Urayah, Rayam, and like that you can do. When Bhyam is there, I becomes A simply by Raya Asabho.
Okay.
You can do this. This is also easy. Then the next
Okay.
word is Go, ending with O Rama. It's in masculine because it's referring to bull, not to the cows. So O Au Pandaveshu. O, o becomes O when Pandavas follow. So Go plus Su is a Pandava. O becomes O, Gauss, Sararamar Vishnu Sarga Vishnu Padante, Gauhu. So I was thinking that when we see like any Goshala, so I have seen generally they write it like this, Gaushala, right?
Hmm.
I've seen
But
differently, like, oh,
yeah, but it should be Go, Goshala.
oh,
Hmm.
Because Goshala is a compound word made of two words, go and shala.
Hmm.
So it should be go and not go. I've seen people writing go. So it should be Goshala,
Hmm.
Goshala. So go then Gavo, Gavaha. O a Amshasor Nacha Sonaha. O Rama becomes A Rama when or Shas follows, and the Sa of Shas does not become Na by 95. That sutra, Dashavatara Trivikrama Shasi Tasmat Sona Pungsi. So go plus by this rule, O becomes O A, Amshasor Nacha Sona, and then Dashavatara Damshasor Aramaha, Aramaharaha. So we get Gam. Then Gavo, 2.3, Go plus Shas, O becomes A by this rule, and Dashavataras Trivikrama Shasi Tasmat. Dashavatara Amshasor Aramaharaha. We delete the becomes gas. Now this ideally it should have become na by the Shavtarasya Trivikrama Shasi Tasmat Sona Pungsi, like Krishna, because this is still Purushottam Linga going on. But this
Hmm.
sutra has stopped it. Nacha Sona. That's why Sa doesn't become Na, rather it becomes Vishnu Sarga. Sararame or Vishnu Sargo, Vishnu Padante. So Gah. So
Okay.
when Krishna and Balram they became the cowherd boys on Gopashtami. So the very famous Bhagavatam verse, Gashcharayanto, Pashupala Sammatau.
Hmm.
Gashcharayanto, Pashupala Sammatau. So that Gash,
Palasammato.
get that Gash is 2.3, Gah.
Ah.
So
Okay.
right.
that's Gah plus Charayanto, and then Chachayo
Shupala.
Sharama, Vishnu Sarga Sandhi. So it
Hmm.
became Sh, Gashcharayanto. So this is used in Bhagavatam when
Hmm.
both of them they became the cowherd boys.
Jai.
So similarly, Gava, Gobhyam, Gobhi, and you can do the whole table. Then the next last word is glow. Au Ram Ant Au Ramant Shabda. This also you can do. Glow, glavo, glava, nothing much.
Hmm.
Okay. So here we complete the Purushottam Linga section in
So this
Sarveshwaranta.
is it for all the Purushottam Lingas Shabdas, or is it just for some for the main ones,
This
the
is
rules?
all this is all Sarveshwaranta Purushottam Linga Shabdas. So there will be another
Mm.
section for the words ending with Vishnu Janas.
Mm-hmm.
This is only for the words ending with Sarveshwaras.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
It covers everything, all the words in the
Okay.
world.
Wow. Jai. So Prabhu, I was wondering how yeah, you gave this wonderful practice that we can just go to Bhagavatam, Veda base, and go to the word for word and do the Sandhi practice. Just check which Sandhi sutras apply. And for the Nama Prakaranam, how can we um, do we do the same thing? We just go to the verse and we just try to find some sutras there? Because it's a little bit more difficult, right? But
No, no, no. So
Nama.
for the Nama Prakaranam, first of all, you have to practice well in the grammar and you have to memorize the tables. And then when you're reading Bhagavatam, then you have to uh, figure out the vibhaktis and the vachanas. So it's about figuring out when it comes to noun. For example, this verse, Bhagavad Gita verse. So let's say Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, ityadi. So Dharma Kshetre. So first of all, you will undo the sandhis, and then the second step is you will try to figure out the nouns, eh, their vibhaktis, cases, and vachanas. So Dhritarashtraha is 1.1, like Krishna. Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, they're like 7.1, like Krishna. Samaveta is 1.3, the original word being Samaveta. Yuyutsavaha is 1.3, original word being Yuyutsu, like Vishnu. So, like that, first of all, you have to practice well in the grammar. You have to memorize the tables
Mhm.
very nicely. And with a lot of, what do you say? I mean, it needs a lot of presence of mind uh, in order to, figure the correlative words, endings, and the vachanas, singular, dual, and plural. So basically, you have to match. Okay, yuyutsavaha. So, which ending is this? Which vachana is this? Which word, which original word is it referring to from the book?
Hmm.
So, like that. It will take some
Mhm.
time initially, but this is the only way.
Do you sometimes have it happen that you think there is a specific original word, but then you find out it was actually a completely different original word? Like, how often does that mistake happen?
So, for that, you have to have a dictionary also in order to
Mm.
cross check by yourself. For example, if I'm new, trying to study on my own, so Yuyutsava, first of all, at first glance, I will understand this is to be 1.1, like Krishna. But uh, yeah, then what I will do, Yuyutsava, then I will go to the dictionary personally, which the thing I used to do actually. And I'll type Yuyutsava here just to confirm that I'm right. But I see
Mhm.
there is no Pratipadikam, there is no original noun like
Mhm.
Yuyutsava. Then I'm
Mm.
confused. I'm just telling step by step what I went through. So now
Mm.
Mhm.
Yuyutsava doesn't work out for me as 1.1.
Mhm.
Then I'm thinking, oh, this is not 1.1. Is it 1.3? Then if it is 1.3, then there must be a matching word from the book, any table. Then I'll try to recall the tables like Krishna table, Hari table, Vishnu table, Pitri table, all the tables. And then, okay, in Vishnu 1.3, we have Vishnavaha. Then from Yuyutsavaha, Vishnavaha, the endings they match. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, okay, Yuyutsu. So I will try to look Yuyutsu. And yes, here I get Yuyutsu. Haribol.
Jai.
So this was my exercise personally when I was
Okay.
studying.
Okay, so it really takes some time also to go through all the tables just for one word, but that's also the nature of the Sanskritists. They can munch on one word for hours.
Yeah, but
Even in
the point is, it's not an eternal exercise. Let's say a few weeks or few months, and then it all will become like a second nature for you.
Hmm.
Yeah. Just a few weeks or few months. That's all. But
Okay.
this is the only way if you want to do it nicely.
Yeah, have to go through it.
Okay.
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 So, Prabhu, I think in the chat I also had some questions some long time ago about Sutra 84, Anishvaradapi Ramajaha.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I'm just reading the message. In Sutra 84, we check if a Vishnu Sarga is born of a Rarama. Are there many words born of Rarama? And where can we find a reliable source for the full list? Um,
So when you will study the next section, the Vishnu Jananta Shabdas here. So you will get some
mhm.
idea from there and the complete list, there's nothing like complete list. Uh, yeah, there's nothing like
Okay.
complete list for that. It's just that you will eventually become aware of them naturally. But it will make more
Mm.
sense when we come to the next section, which is the Vishnu Jananta words.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we'll resume the next Sunday uh, with the Lakshmi Linga Prakaranam. So Radhika
Jai.
Vallabhru, you can kindly work on the sutras, and all of you, please.
Yes.
Overall
Yes.
things, tables, memorization,
Yes.
then simultaneous
Uh,
implementation in the Shastras, very important.
mm, mm.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
even if
this is
I'm
very.
busy only once class, if there is no class, kvachit pravritti, kvachita pravritti. If
Mm.
this Bahulam thing also applies sometimes, no problem. You keep on going on, continuing.
Correct. Correct. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sometimes
So.
we also become kvachit pravritti, kvachit bhasha, kvachit anyadeva.
Mm.
So yeah, but you keep on going, please, and it's a lot of
Yes.
work actually from your edge to do.
Correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
lot of work, lot of work.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay, we'll
Yes,
resume the
it's,
next Sunday. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Prabhu.
Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare.
Dhanyavad.
Hare Krishna.
Bye.